Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial you'll learn about applying a charge. A charge is an item on an invoice that's issued to your client that then gets recorded as your company's income. Let's go to the landlord's account and apply a charge. Applying a charge has several effects on your company's accounts. So once we've applied the charge, I'm going to give you an insight of what happens in the background. Make sure you select the related tenancy, otherwise the system won't know which landlord statement the charge applies to. Selecting an income account helps you categorize the types of income that you make. Can you guess what will happen when we submit this transaction? Let's click OK, and then I'm going to explain everywhere in the system that's been affected. The landlord's main account has been debited, putting their account into negative. If we go to Chart of Accounts, you'll see that the income account has been credited. There will be an entry posted to your tax account, which is your VAT account. Your VAT return will also be affected. Your profit and loss report will also show the income that you've just made, and clicking on the income account will let you see the transaction that's been posted. Next, let's go to Transactions History. We can see the composition of this transaction. You'll see that the client's account has been debited and the income and VAT account has been credited. Now let's go to check the landlord statement and see the deduction that's been applied. And again, you're able to see entries in the trial balance report. Here's a quick recap on what we've just covered. Please move on to the next tutorial where I'll explain the difference between a charge and an invoice. Bye for now.